Hi, I'm Tom Kerslake and I'm making a video on cloud storage for computer communications for Northampton University. In this video I will be explaining cloud storage through the help of Minecraft. So take this scenario. I walk up to my hard drive and then I realise I need to save a few things because I've just done my homework, just come home from school, and I want to make sure that I get my homework in on time. Nobody wants their dog eating their homework nowadays. So I go up and I look and I make sure that my memory stick's in, displayed by this bookcase on Minecraft. And then I walk into my hard drive, which is displayed by all the chests. So I go about saving my files in my hard drive, just simply by dragging and dropping them or pressing Ctrl S or Save As. Thinking that, yep, that'll be fine, and I'll sort them out later. So before I shut down my computer, I want to make sure that everything's up to date, ready for the morning, Don't want anything to stump me just before I go back to school. So I turn around and I'll just drag them into my desktop and make sure that they're ready there so that when I get up in the morning, they're ready to go. I really need to have a look around, check to make sure my memory stick, my hard drive and everything's okay. Then when I walk into when I open up my hard drive, I realise that there's an error, and so what happens when this happens? Everything's just disappeared, blown up, the hard drive's corrupted, Trojan virus, all that. Well, I can't access any of my files, I've lost them all. If only I'd listened and used cloud storage.
I ain't happy, I'm feeling glad I got sunshine in a bag. I'm useless, but not for long, the future is coming up.
Cloud computing, or cloud storage, is at its peak in 2012. Most companies have turned to using it, and offering you the chance to use it yourself. Big companies like Microsoft and Apple are now encouraging their users to step into the cloud, so to speak, with Xbox Cloud and iCloud. But what really is cloud storage, and how does it work? Cloud storage works similarly like a local area network, also known as a LAN. The reason for the similarity is because when you go to save something, it can be saved to an external hard drive for safety purposes. But what makes cloud storage different to a local area network? Cloud storage works by allowing users to save their files to a server that's overseas. This allowing them to access it from any computer anywhere in the world, but also allowing them to free up their disk space and make sure that they've got as much space as possible for a fast, quick running computer. But what are the advantages and disadvantages of this? The advantages of cloud storage is companies have no need to install physical external storage devices in their own data centers or offices, but they can still store all of their files in an external area. Companies need only pay for the storage they are actually using, rather than a whole storage device itself. It's also possible for companies to be utilising actual virtual storage features, externally paying a company to manage storage maintenance tasks, such as backup, data replenishment, and purchasing additional storage devices, are offloaded to the responsibility of a service provider, allowing organisations to focus on their business and their business only. So what are the disadvantages of cloud storage? The disadvantages of cloud storage are that it can be slow to obtain their files, the server can be down, There can be errors in the website itself, so that they can't access their files. There could be a fire breakout and they lose everything there. Or somebody could come in and break into it and steal potentially harmful documents. Therefore, you should never leave important information inside of a cloud storage device, as it could become harmful to yourself or others. There are many different devices that use cloud storage, and I will be explaining them in a second. There are many different types of cloud storages. Some do different things, like iCloud, allowing you to store your music, your photos, from your iPod, your iPad, or even your PC. Windows Azure storage, allowing you to access some software online and your files online. CSE, allowing you to store your files. EMC, doing the same. Files Anywhere, also doing what EMC and CSE do, and Google Storage Cloud. Once again, allowing you to store your files. Thank you very much for watching my video on cloud storage. It was produced by Sam Kerslake, music by the Gorillaz, and software I used Minecraft, Katsuse Studios, and Windows Movie Maker, and Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Thank you, and goodbye.